Welcome once again to Roadmap to Sustainable Health and Fitness with Dr. Donatus Chukwudo. In this program, we have been looking at activities we should undertake or the things we should do to be able to live in health and fitness. And we have looked at a number of them, starting from taking sufficient water daily, to adequate nutrition, to fasting, to recreation, to regular exercises, to satisfying work, to adequate health care, and then of course to exposure to sunlight, and of course temperance. And all the videos are available. I want to encourage you to look at them and see how beneficial they are. I'm sure that when you look at each of them, you listen to each of them, you will benefit a lot from them. And so if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor by subscribing now. And then of course, hit the notification button so that you keep being part of this program. Today, we have another very important one, still one of the presentations in this series, and the topic is fresh air. Fresh air. Fresh air is that air that is rich in oxygen, and then of course poor in other pollutants and carbon dioxide. The air that is rich in oxygen, we call that fresh air. And fresh air could be found in many places. In greenhouse areas, you could find fresh air in recreation gardens or relaxation gardens. You find fresh air near the river banks. You find fresh air at seashore. You find fresh air in the forests and many other places of nature. You will find fresh air there. That is air rich in oxygen. And if you get yourself in such places, you will enjoy it so much. You will be able to get your daily need for fresh air. I'm talking about daily need for fresh air. WHO recommends that you should spend about 30 minutes daily in gardens, relaxation spots, in recreation centers where there is not enough nature, in places, in forests, and other places where you have green vegetations. 30 minutes in such environment will enable you get enough fresh air, that is air rich in oxygen, particularly for those who are in the cities. You will need to get out of the cities and find yourself in such places. You will get enough fresh air. And if you get enough fresh air, it will be able to provide your system with extra oxygen. Because oxygen is one element that is very healthy and very good for the human body. Oxygen is one element that the cells, it's a gas that the cells, the human cells requires to be able to function and produce its various energies. And if you take fresh air, you will enrich yourself with extra oxygen. Extra oxygen will refresh your cells. If you take enough fresh air, you will be able to rid your body of carbon dioxide, which is not healthy for the body. Fresh air will make you breathe naturally. Your breathing will be natural. Your respiratory rate would be normal. if you are used to taking fresh air. And it will do a lot even to your respiratory system. It will do a lot of good to even your circulatory system. Fresh air is good for the body. That is what body tissues require to be able to perform their enormous functions. So please, if you have not been availing yourself of the opportunity of getting out there to relaxation parks, to the river banks, to seashores, to greenhouse areas, even to the forests, make effort to get out there and receive fresh air. And perhaps if you live in the city, early hours of the day is a good time too. You could get fresh air. You just come out to the balcony and then take some fresh air. That would be a good time. And by that time, all the carbon emissions that come from vehicles and all that would not have saturated the air as you will find during the afternoon. So that would be good for you to come out early enough and then relax in your balcony, take fresh air, and you will enjoy doing such a thing, and your health will improve generally if you do that from time to time, or if you make it as a habit, particularly on a daily basis. Thank you very much for being here. I want to encourage you to continue to be part of this program. And if you have not subscribed, please do me a favor by subscribing. There are a lot of things you will gain here. Just click the subscription button and of course the notification bell so that you will continue to get the notifications each time there is a new video. And of course, by the grace of God, we'll keep having them here on this channel. So before we go, remember that your health and your fitness and your hands take responsibility. God bless you.